tasty recipes with Mom. Welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is tamarind chutney. So let's get started. Soak tamarind in water for 3 hours and then remove its seeds, like this. Pour seed-free tamarind in grinder and grind it. After grinding, add some water. Add some jaggery. Turn on the flame. Kashmiri mirch. Cook well. Chaat masala. Salt. Black salt. Cook well. Crushed roasted zira. Our tamarind chutney is ready. After cooling, melon seeds, cover it and you can save it for 1 month in fridge. Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.